warning for southern Lincoln County and central Oklahoma until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles south of Warwick, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Chandler, Prague, Davenport, Sparks, and Warwick. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.